What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another PlayStation tips and tricks video. Today I'm going to show you how to properly disinfect and clean your PlayStation controller without damaging it. A large majority of users actually do this incorrectly, so in this video I'm going to show you how to keep your controller clean of debris and bacteria, but also how to properly clean without damaging it. Now, if you're watching this video, I want you to take a quick look at your PlayStation controller, and if you see any nasty buildup, then it's probably time that you gave your controller a decent cleaning. So to start off, we're going to be using a couple microfiber towels, and you can pick these up at a local auto parts store. Now, if you don't want to spend any money, then you can just use an old t-shirt if you want. Now we're going to simply place the controller on the towel, and then we're going to apply an even coat of electrical grade isopropyl alcohol to both sides of the controller, and then clean with light pressure. Now, you can get electrical grade isopropyl online, or you can find it at a local computer store. If you can't get a hold of this, then a great substitute is simply filling up a plastic spray bottle with 99% isopropyl, and it works just as good. I like using a spray bottle because it evenly distributes the product on the controller, and since 99% is electrical grade, you don't have to worry about damaging your controller buttons or joysticks with any moisture. Now, for those hard to reach places, I like to use a toothpick because they are soft enough to clean without scratching the controller. And there you guys have it. You can finish it off with a light spray and dry it off, and you are good to go. I hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, do not forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.